at least it's good morning over here. But I'm back with another what I eat in a day video, and I'm gonna get my day started with a nice green smoothie. So here I go. For my green smoothie, I added a handful of frozen spinach and kale, some frozen strawberries, frozen pineapples, frozen mangoes, frozen banana, some orange juice, and I added some water to it. I was really hungry, so I also had a chickpea salad wrap for breakfast. I filmed this in a previous video, so I'll post the recipe below. For lunch, I'm slicing up 2 roasted potatoes. I'm going to add some sea salt to it, some pepper seasoning, a little bit of oil, and some chili powder. Then I'm going to bake it at 425 for 30 minutes. Next, I'm making some lazy guacamole. I call it lazy guacamole because I don't chop any vegetables up. I just add pepper to it, garlic powder, onion powder, sea salt, and a little bit of lemon juice. And I'm using 1 large avocado. I added some sriracha to the fries. And there I have a delicious snack. This was so good, you guys have to try it. Sriracha fries and guacamole is the perfect combination. I had Asian food for dinner. I'm starting off by slicing up half a green pepper, half a red pepper, and half a yellow onion. I'm going to saute it. Have some rice cooking. Once the peppers and onions were done cooking, I added 3 cloves of minced garlic. And now I'm adding half a pack of frozen mixed vegetables. I added 2 tablespoons of water so that it can cook down a little better. Once the veggies cooked down, I added 2 cups of cooked rice. Then I added 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, garlic powder, and black pepper. I found this seitan soy chicken at the Asian market, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm just going to break it apart, put it in the bowl, add some black pepper, garlic powder, and some cornstarch. I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then we're going to add some oil to a pan and cook the soy chicken on both sides until it's nice and crispy. Then once that's done, I'm going to add a half a red pepper and a half a yellow onion, and I'm going to let that all cook together. For the sauce, I'm adding some sweet chili sauce, some Szechuan spicy sauce, and I'm going to mix it all together. This will also be really good with General Toast sauce or teriyaki sauce. Any sauce would do. Okay, well that sums up everything that I ate today.
if you live near an Asian market, you gotta try those soy chicken bites. Those were so good. I used to eat the tofurkey ones, but the tofurkey ones, they're good, but they have this like taste to it because it's already pre-seasoned. But these are flavorless, so it tastes exactly how you season them. Same texture as chicken, so gotta give it a try. So that is it. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.